velocity of an object can be constant, but it can also change. If there is a change in velocity in a given interval of time, we call it average acceleration. So our average acceleration is change in velocity upon time interval. If we are sitting on a bus starts, the driver starts the bus, our initial velocity is 0, and at a certain point, bus reaches at 30 meters per second, velocity attains the velocity of 30 meters per second. So there is a change in velocity from 0 to 30 meters per second. In a given interval of how much time it has taken to reach the 30 meters per second, suppose 10 seconds, 14 seconds, 15 seconds, like this. So average acceleration can be calculated by this. Now after attaining the speed of 30 meters per second, driver there stops comes, the driver applies the brake, then from 30 meters per second the velocity becomes 0 meters per second. So there is a again change in velocity. So velocity can increase and can decrease, and it can be measured by this quantity average acceleration. This is the physical quantity. Here also the direction is also specified in this. Okay. Up now we have two kinds of velocity. First is initial velocity. Initial velocity, it is represented by u, and final velocity, it is represented by v, and time जो है again it is represented by small t, and acceleration is a. So our a is equal to change in velocity is v minus u, यानी final velocity में से we have to subtract the initial velocity. So we have change in velocity v minus u upon t. This is our equation for the average acceleration. Now SI unit of acceleration is, SI unit of A is meters per second square. It can be written as ms raised to power minus 2. Now, let's take an example. The example in your book, a driver, a bus is moving on a straight highway with a velocity of 36 kilometer per hour. A bus driver is moving in a bus, so initial velocity is 36 kilometer per hour, and after seeing that there is no after say driver presses the accelerator for a time interval of 10 seconds, 10 seconds के लिए उसने accelerator दबाया, and the velocity increases to 54 kilometer per hour. Here notice here 36 kilometer per hour, we have to change it into meters per second. 1 kilometer has 1000 meters, so 36 multiplied by 1000, and here hours has 60 into 60 seconds. So it will come around 10 meters per second. Here 54 into 1000 upon 60 into 60, that is 15 meters per second. So we have first velocity 10 meters per second, initial velocity, and final velocity is 15 meters per second. Now then for some time the bus moved as a constant velocity, bus is moving with 54 kilometer per hour, but the bus comes to stop in a time interval of 5 seconds if when the driver applies the brake. So again our time interval for the second instance is 5 seconds, and bus stops from 54 kilometer per hour to 0 kilometer per hour. So we have to calculate the average acceleration when the accelerator was pressed, यानी कि there is an increase in velocity, and when the brakes were pressed, that is there is a decrease in velocity. So we will first calculate the increase in velocity. Average acceleration when there is an increase in velocity. Thereby A is equal to V minus U initial upon final minus initial, that is 15 minus 10 upon 10, that is 5 upon 10, that is 0.5 meters per second square. When accelerator is pressed, then our average acceleration is 0.5 meters per second square. But in the second instant, our initial velocity is, when the brakes are pressed, we are moving at the 15 meters per second square per second, and our final velocity is 0 meters per second. So the acceleration is 0 minus 15 upon t. Time is 5 seconds. T is 50 upon 5, that is minus 3 meters per second square. Here minus sign represented that we are, the accelerating velocity is decreasing with time.